My name is Nishit Tiger. I am 5 years old. My school name is DAB Public Valmi Complex. Please like and subscribe. Let's learn with fun.
Directions. Dory and Hank are headed for the open ocean exhibit. To read the directions correctly, Dory needs to know all about the letters of the alphabet. Tick the correct letter to complete the sequence.
Dory's direction. Tick the correct letter to complete the sequence. QRS, Q before P. LMN, N after O. FGH, F before E. IJ, after K.
Okay, let's count.
VWX, V before the U. ABC, C after D.